Prezi can be a really great tool to use when you're interested in presenting some information. Once you've created an account and opened up the Prezi website, you can go to the top of the page and select Create a New Prezi. This will open up a new tab and load a selection of templates for you to use for your presentation. The first ones that are listed are the latest options, but you can also click More to find other attractive templates. You can also start a blank Prezi, but that tends to be for more advanced users. I'm going to use bright lights for the purpose of this presentation. There will be several slides preloaded, but you can always add more frames if you want to by selecting the plus sign within the circle above. You can change the size or the type of bracket here as either the bracket, the circle, the rectangle, or an invisible border that will allow you to add content. You want to make sure as you're proceeding through that you're adding your content by the slides to the left rather than clicking on the circles, as this will ensure that all of your content is added in the correct order. To start, you'll want to click to add a title. Click the title. Today we'll do a presentation about cats. If you select the text, you can change the font as well as the color. I'll keep it with white today. You can make it bold, and some fonts will allow you to be italic as well. When you're done editing the title, click away from the box. Then you can move on to the second tile to the left. Here, you can add more content. So, what is a cat? Cats have 4 legs, a wet nose, and they are soft. This was the bullet feature that you can select. It will allow you to make a bulleted list. Click away from the text when you're finished. Then go to the third item. Here, you may decide that you want to add a picture of a cat. Rather than adding text this time, you'll go to the top where it says Insert and select Image. This will open up your folders. I've saved an image to the desktop of a cat. You can drag it over to your icon and make it smaller or bigger depending on what you want. We'll leave Upsilon there for now. Bubble 4 will let you go into more depth for that topic. Since I don't have anything to add, I will leave it as is for now. If you move into number 5, or any other bubble, of course, you can add symbols and shapes. Any of these will provide different styles for the same icons. I like the white motif, so I'll go with the white smiley face for now. All you need to do is select, drag, and drop. You can make it bigger, and you can move it around as you like. The text will automatically disappear. If you go into the next bubble, you can insert more information. For example, you may wish to insert a YouTube video. All you have to do is paste the link, click Insert, and make sure that any media you insert complies with the Prezi terms of use, so you want to be careful with issues like copyright. Once you're done with that, and you've gone through all of your slides, you can take a look at the big picture by selecting the last one. You may also decide that you want to customize your theme. While the general template will stay the same, you can change the colors. This one's called Coffee. I like the original, so I'm going to revert back to that. One final thing you can do that's helpful is to edit the path. This is down here where you select Edit Path, and you can drag and drop your various bubbles as is necessary. When you're finished, you can select Done on the right. Save your presentation at any time by clicking the floppy disk icon here. When you're finished, you can select Exit or Present if you're ready to present right away. When you exit, The item will save automatically, and you'll be taken to the presentation page. You'll have no description here, but your title is here, though you can edit it, and you can edit the description as well. You can download the item, you can save a copy, share it, or embed it elsewhere. You'll also be able to add comments or allow others to add comments. There's a transcript of your content below as well. Thank you for taking a moment to listen to my Prezi on Prezi.